Hello, sir. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing great. I was a little bit busy with my exam, I have already told you that, so I was unable to create the video, but right now I am going to create the video for you. That will be too much easier for you to access the website. So, excuse me. Just take some water. Okay, so let me start from the beginning. Okay, so we need to, first of all, we need to change the website name. Here is, it says just another WordPress, so I think you know that, but let me show you that again. So to change this text, then you will have to go to settings, then click on general and open a new tab. In general, you can see it says site title, so you can put the name here as we need, and you can put a tagline for the website. After that, everything is okay, and here is the mail field, and everything is okay now. Then when you're done, then click on save changes, and that's it. So for the logo and this top header toolbar section, so let me show you how to change these stuffs real quick. So you will have to click on theme option. It's here, just click on that, and after that don't worry about these zeros, those are nothing. So you will have to in general, here is lots of styles, so you can customize, but I have figured out all of the thing we need. As you told me before, right now we need to add contents in the pages, so you will have to you can access here global settings, favicon and logos. So we need to change the logo. So let me start from the top part. It's a header toolbar. So if you want to change this header toolbar and phone number and mail, then just you need to click on under general, then click on header toolbar, and here is the if you want to put a tagline there, then you can put here, and here is the phone number, and after that the mail, and then just click on save settings, and it will be update automatically. So after that the logo, so when you will get done the logo, so if you would like to change the logo, then you can, or if you want me to change the logo, then you can send me the logo through Skype or my Gmail, whatever you want, and I'll change that. So if you want to change the logo, then just under general, you can see here it's favicon and logos. Just click on that. After that, when you're done with the favicon, then you can upload the favicon. I know you know how to upload something in WP dashboard, so you'll have to click on upload, then click on upload files, then select files, then from your computer you will have to select the favicon. Okay, after that here is the logo, default and dark logo. So here is the logo. You will have to change the logo. After that, light logo, and then sticky header logo. So there is 3 version of logo. So we need, if you would like to keep only one default and dark logo, then you can keep that. We don't need these stuffs. If you would like, you can keep those empty, or you can upload the same logo for 3 places. After that, just click on save settings, and the logo will be come up automatically here. Then for the menu, I think these are the pages. So let's start from the home page. So there are lots of stuffs. I think we don't need all of those. They are just taking some scripts, so we can put it off right here under advanced setting. You can see, and right there we can put off. We don't need photo album post type, you can put it off. Pricing table as well, client post type, employees post type, testimonial. If we need testimonial, then you can turn it on again, but we can put it off right now. And a slider post type. After the tab slider, animated column post types, then click on save settings, and it will be a little bit short. Now it's too much long, and now it will be a little bit short. If we reload the dashboard, then you can see some stuffs are gone already. So for the home page, let me start from the home page. So just click on edit page and open a new tab. After that, there are lots of optionality you can add by yourself, no problem. So I have already showed you how to copy a full page exactly like the existing page. So you can choose each and every time. You will have to when you will take a new section, then you can select a row or a page section, whatever you want, but I would like to suggest you page section would be better. But as you told me before, you are habituated with row, so no problem, you can take row. So after that, you can divide them as well. So let me start from the beginning. Here is the background image in page section. So each of the element has their own edit button. Okay, so the first one is the pencil icon is edit button, the second one is clone icon, and the third one is delete. So if we start from here under page section, so here is its full layout, and here is the background image what is showing right here. This is the background image, and we don't need to select any background color, and background position left top, it's okay. Cover all background, we don't need to select that. Parallax background, that's why it's loading, it's scrolling smoothly. For the parallax background we selected. After that, here is overlay color. You can see there an overlay color black is showing right there. Here is the color, and its opacity is 0.6. it's in alpha, and layer no sidebar. After that, the page section minimum height is 350 pixel, and that's it. And keep in mind that when you will take a new page section, then just scroll down and put the padding off, otherwise there will be a space right there and right there. Okay, so makes sense. You have made those two section, padding top and padding bottom 0. Okay, so now click on save changes. After that you are done. Then for the new page section, you can see here is two section, the left section and right section. So you can change those stuffs right here. This is empty space, I mean this space. For this space, you know, if we put off this empty space, then there will be no space in this text in top. Okay, that's why it's 30 pixel. Here is 30 pixel 2. And okay, thank you so much, no problem. I am creating the video for you right now. Okay, so after that, here is the section. So if you would like to change the text right here, then just click on each of the elements. Each of the elements has their own edit button. Okay, so you will have to, each and every time you will have to click on the pencil icon. Then after that, here is the text. Just you can replace the text whatever we need. Then just scroll down, and here is the text color. If you would like to select the color, then you can select the color what we need. And here is the font size, and it's full responsive with all device supported. So here is the font size for small desktop, this one. Font size for tablet, this one. And font size for mobile, it's 19 pixel. So make sure that you have made the line height 150%. that would be great. Always I would like to recommend you this one. You can keep it 100, no problem. So default is 100. After that, scroll down. If you want a font white, bold, light, normal, here is all of the optionality. After that, font style, normal, italic, no problem, we need default. After that, text transform mean if you want this text uppercase, I mean all of the text will be uppercase, so you can select it here, uppercase or lowercase. So, after that, letter spacing, padding top, we need only padding bottom, we don't need padding top, that's why it's empty, I mean 0. And select font family, if you would like to select the font family, then you can select right here. And another option is available in this theme. I will show you how to change universal font. I mean, if we change the font size right here, then this font will be changed only. But if we change the font in another option, I mean theme option, then all over the font will be changed, the specific font we will select. So after that, here is the text align, where you would like to put the text. It's in center right now, it's in center, you can see. So so it's in center, you can put it left, right. Okay, so after the responsive align center and viewport animation, it means when the page will be load, then the text will come up with the animation. It's called fading. There are lots of viewport animation, you can select either one you want. After that, just click on save changes, that's it, like this. And always try to use fancy title. This is too much gorgeous instead of text block. Okay, so you will have to just click. If you would like to take a new element, then just click on the page plus icon, then just type here. There are lots of options. Can you see text block, icon, separate, as you want. There are lots of elements, you can take either one as we need. So then once you're done, then click on update and you are done. So for the images, let me show you how to change the images. It's image element, so you can take that element of, then just type here image and this one. Okay, so we need to change. When you will go to change the images, then just click on the pencil icon. After that, here is the image. Okay, you will have to upload a new image and make sense for the image size. I think the image size should be height will be image height will be 300 pixel, and width will be 302 or whatever you want. So please take it in your desktop on time, then upload it in the dashboard. So after that, here is, if you would like to add a frame in the image, I mean in the image, then you can select the frame right here. Here is round frame, single frame, gray border frame. Okay, so if you would like to add the frame, then I would like to recommend you gray border frame. Okay, so after the image link, I mean for the like another website you send me as a reference, so image link, here is the image link. Okay, in which space you would like to link up this image, then just put the link here. Assume that if you would like to link up this image with about us page, then just copy link address, then put the link here. Okay, and then here is the image alignment as like as the text right, left, center, so it's in right position. And margin bottom mean there is a space right here, it's 10 pixel, so it's okay, you can keep that like this or as you need. And viewport animation, we don't need any viewport, I think, that's why I keep it none. So if you would like to viewport animation, then it is fade in, scale up, right to left, left to right. Okay, and then click on save changes, and so we can keep it hash, then save changes. So and one more thing for each pages, in the it's in page option setting. Okay, so just scroll down. Once you're done to adding the element, then just scroll down a bit and you will be able to see here it says manage page elements. Okay, you will have to remove page title, otherwise this page title, I mean home, will be come up right here. Okay, so you will have to remove page title and then make it stick templates. You know, I have already showed you what is the advantage of stick templates. If we put it off, then there will be a space in top section and the bottom section, so we need to make it stick template, then that's it. And once you're done, then click on update and you are done, and then click on the logo. So this is the basic tutorial for you So please check this video, and if we need anything else, then please feel free to let me know, and I'll make another video for you if we need. Okay, so each of the pages has same elements and same functionality. Okay, so every page has same element, so everything is same like this as I showed you in home page. So all of the pages are same, all of the elements are same. Okay, so please feel free to let me know if we need anything else, then I will create another video for you. And thank you so much, and have a great day.